Okay, so I guess this makes part 3. I figured out which button to push to stop the pause. Okay. I've mixed these, all 4 of these, these 2 in this cup, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Then I'm going to go mix my resin, and I'm going to pour it in here, and then I'm going to show you the first one. All right, and then I'm going to pause it again. All right. Okay, here's the blue one. Isn't that pretty? All right, and I've put the resin in these other ones, but I haven't mixed them yet. That's the blue one, so there you go. I'll be back when I've poured the rest of them on all these other ones, okay? Okay, here they are with all the chips on there. I've taken the bubbles out with my heat gun, and I actually added a little bit on top of the these little things in the middle, flowers, so that it would all be incorporated. Now I'm going to add the flowers, these little flowers. So we'll see what that looks like, and I'll be back. Okay, so here they are, all done. So now I just have to let these dry till tomorrow, and I'm going to have to make another video for that. Buck says he's going to show me some program to edit. So I'm assuming I can put all these videos together, make it into one. I don't know. We'll find out. And I'm sorry if I keep sniffling. I don't know I'm doing it. So I guess I need to blow my nose every time I tape. Sorry. What do you think? Are they cool? We'll come back tomorrow. Thank you.